In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an invoice manually in HoneyBook. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or managing a larger team, being able to create and send invoices efficiently is crucial to maintaining smooth operations and ensuring you get paid for your hard work. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open up your HoneyBook dashboard. This is where all your projects are housed and where you can keep track of everything you're working on. Look for the specific project to which you want to send an invoice. Click on that project to open it up. This step establishes the foundation for your invoice, linking it directly to the correct project so you and your client can stay organized. Next, we'll add a new invoice file. Within your project, you'll see an option to either create a new invoice or add a file for an invoice. It might show up as create and then invoice, or you might see add file and then invoice right inside the project interface. Selecting this will prompt HoneyBook to generate a new invoice template specifically tailored for that project. Now, it's time to get into the details where you'll enter the key elements of your invoice. Start by listing the items or services you're billing for. It's important to be clear and specific so your client knows exactly what they're being charged for. After listing the items, define the quantity, and if necessary, apply any taxes or discounts that are relevant to your client. This ensures transparency for both you and your client, reducing any potential for confusion down the line. Also, setting a due date is vital, and HoneyBook provides flexibility here. You can either set a straightforward due date or create a payment schedule if you need that extra layer of financial planning. Payment schedules can be particularly helpful for larger projects where staggered payments might be more appropriate. At this point, you may want to attach a contract. This is optional, but highly recommended if your project requires specific terms and agreements between you and your client. Embedding a contract directly with your invoice can simplify the process significantly. Once you've entered all necessary details, take a moment to preview your invoice. This is your chance to double-check everything. Make sure that the figures are accurate and all components of the invoice are correctly placed. After confirming all is correct, go ahead and click Save. With your invoice all set up, the final step is to send it to your client. You can do this via email directly through HoneyBook, or if you prefer, you can copy the invoice link and send it manually through any communication tool you use to contact your client regularly. And that's it. You've now successfully created and sent an invoice using HoneyBook. This process will help you maintain professionalism and streamline your billing, ensuring your projects not only run smoothly, but also that you receive timely payments for your efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.